Is the Beyond Bratwurst sausage healthier and better for weight loss than regular meat bratwurst sausages? I'll break it down for you in this video. For science-based and practical weight loss advice from a registered dietitian, me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. My name is Adrienne. I'm a registered dietitian with a Master's of Science in Nutrition, a certified diabetes educator, and a healthy weight loss coach. I've helped thousands of people with their healthy eating and weight loss goals over the years and have been awarded the 2021 Consumer Choice Award for Registered Dietitian and Weight Loss Management. Super hot right now is the plant-based meat items that look and taste like actual meat, but without the meat. But how does it stack up in terms of health and for weight loss? In my last video, I discussed the Beyond Meat and Impossible Burger and compared it to lean ground beef patty. You can check out that video here. The ingredients in the Beyond sausage and Beyond burger patties are quite different, and so is my recommendation. I used to work at Yves Veggie Cuisine as a food scientist, creating vegetarian and vegan food products before being a dietitian. So this meat alternatives is a big interest of mine and up my alley. Do you enjoy plant-based alternatives like almond, oat milk, vegan yogurt, cheese, or plant-based meat products? A large market research study showed that 90% of people who say that they regularly eat plant-based meat alternatives to meat, like the meat substitutes, or dairy substitutes like almond or oat milk, are actually not vegetarian or vegan, but just people who like more variety in their diet. The research results resonate with me because I'm all about variety in my diet. Research also showed that people are health conscious about their food choices, and they use food and drink to manage health conditions, which is amazing. Not only because I'm a registered dietitian, but I've always believed that the right foods can help solve many health issues and, of course, help with losing weight. My clients are living proof of what I believe because of the amazing health and weight transformations they make. So let's talk about these Beyond Bratwurst sausages compared to regular pork bratwurst sausages. For the meat sausage, I'll be comparing the Johnsonville pork bratwurst. First, let's start with the ingredients list. The Beyond sausage has protein from pea, rice, and beans. It has slightly less ingredients than its big brother burger patty. I can also understand all the ingredients. A big difference is that there isn't vitamins and minerals added to this vegan meat product compared to the burger option. Notably, there isn't added vitamin B12. If you follow a strictly vegan diet, you need to ensure that your B12 needs are met either by fortified foods, such as an almond milk, or by taking a supplement. This is because B12 is only found in animal products, so dairy, fish, eggs, and meat, while a comparable meat product, which is Johnsonville's pork bratwurst, has 9 ingredients, and 2 of them are sugar in the form of corn syrup, which I'm not a big fan of. But it only contributes to less than 1 gram of sugar per sausage. For one Beyond Bratwurst, which is 76 grams, it's 190 calories, 12 grams of fat, 5 grams of saturated fat, 3 grams of fiber, 16 grams of protein, and 500 milligrams of sodium. Comparing it to the original Johnsonville pork bratwurst of equivalent weight of 76 grams, it provides 228 calories, 20 grams of fat, 7 grams of saturated fat, 11 grams of protein, 600 milligrams of sodium, and no fiber. Given the ingredients and nutrition facts information, I would actually prefer the Beyond sausage to the comparable meat equivalent from Johnsonville. The plant-based protein is a heart-healthier option and it's also higher in protein, and the sodium is also lower in the bratwurst sausage from the Beyond brand. The extra 30 calories in the Johnsonville bratwurst is coming from extra pork fat. However, if you're looking for an animal-based bratwurst, instead opt for a less traditional meat option like chicken or turkey bratwurst instead. Chicken and turkey are lower in calories and fat than pork because of the lower fat content. Whole Foods and Lilydale sells turkey and chicken bratwurst sausages. It's lower in calories and also lower in saturated fat compared to the pork equivalent. For easy and delicious weight loss recipes to get you started, check out my free recipes. Go to adriennerd.com or click the link in the description below my video to get my recipes. Check out these other videos to get more tips and recipes on healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.